Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually join servers in Roblox and see what region they're from and what language they're speaking. So join only English speaking servers, for example. That's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser, head down to roblox.com, and from there sign into your existing account. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is open up a different tab and type in BT Roblox. Now this will pop up in the Chrome web store, and here we are going to add this extension to our Google Chrome website. Now here, as you can see, it has been added, and we're going back to Roblox. Simply refresh the page to activate BT Roblox. And this is an extension that adds a lot of features to Roblox. Now here we're going to a random server, for example, to show you. I'm going to the mic up, and here I want to scroll down till I find the servers right here. Now as you can see, now I can only see the ping, but I want to see the region so I can determine if they're speaking English. Now what we want to do, we want to go to the top right corner where the cogwheel appears, open up the PTR settings, and here scroll down till we find the advanced settings. Now scroll down even more, and here we see the game details, show server region, and press region right here. Now simply press the little X mark and refresh your Roblox. Now here, as you can already see, the region just pops up. Now here there are a region from Germany, this one is full. Here it's from the Netherlands, and so on. Now you can simply select the region and therefore the language where you want to play your Roblox in. That's very easy. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.